Hello, this is Sandeep and you're watching Unboxing of Ryzen 5. The reason why I'm unboxing Ryzen 5 today is because I'm building a PC with this processor. And the reason why I'm building this PC is because I want to use this PC as a home NAS system. Not that I don't have a NAS system from QNAP or Synology, I do, and I use them extensively every day. But this system specifically I'm building because I want to add more and more hard drives to it, and I don't want to be limited with the fact that it is 8 bay or 10 bay or 4 bay and I'm restricted to only those bays. And also another advantage I have by building my own system is it is a lot cheaper, especially because now AMD has come up with their Ryzen 5, Ryzen 3 series, and as they grow into newer generation processors, the older generation process become a lot cheaper. With that said, the processor which I have chosen is 3400G, Ryzen 5 3400G. Again, the specific reason for picking up this processor when compared to the other processors is because of the fact that its TDP is at 65 watts, which is fantastic, especially if I have to use it as NAS, if I have to run it for a long duration, it doesn't consume much power. Second, it also has graphics inbuilt into it, so I don't need to put a discrete graphics card. Also, the graphics will not consume extra power over and above the normal 65 watt which is rated on this processor. Right, with that said, let's get into the unboxing of this. All right, here we go. Here is the processor, and let's go and do the unboxing here. Let's take my knife. I don't have a specific unboxing knife, so I'm using my kitchen knife, and let's get that out of the way. And let's open up this box to see what it reveals. So once I open up this box, as you can see here, first it comes with a plastic packaging which is kind of protecting the fan and the processor, I guess. And there is this thing which says certificate of authenticity. Read this first, installation instruction and warranty. It says limited 3-year warranty. That's what it has, right? So let's get that out of the way. Now I have the next cardboard box which I have. And before I open the cardboard box, I think to the right hand side I saw this, this is I think the processor. As you can see here, the processor is to the next. Okay, and the third most important part I think is the fan. So let me take out the plastic casings with regards to the processor, and now finally the fan. Here comes the fan. So let's unbox the fan and see how it is. So here you go, the fan here, and then let me open this up. So once you open up the fan, it opens up this way, and then you have the fan cooler built into it. So that's about it. So we got the processor, we got the fan, and some warranty information along with the processor.